And now, your First Alert 5 weather.
And we got to give props to Mother Nature today. As promised, she delivered a nice one here into southern Colorado. You know, one of those days you want to put in your back pocket and save for a more wintry day that we're sure to see a little bit later on this season. So in the Springs today, 48 degrees the high, 49 the high in Pueblo. Both areas near to slightly above average for this time of the year. Let's take a look at these headlines. We're tracking some changes here on News 5. We have one last nice day ahead tomorrow. I think temperatures will be pretty similar to today, if not maybe a degree or two cooler in some spots. Then our next cold front drops in from the north Tuesday morning. We've been adjusting these totals. I think most areas generally stay under the 3-inch mark. Places like the Palmer Divide, the Raton Mesa, and up towards Teller County could easily see more than that, maybe as much as 3 to 5 in some of those spots. We're also watching Thursday. I mentioned this follow-up piece of energy last night at 10 and said, looks to stay mostly east, but as we see it today, the model's now pushing that a little farther to the west. Tonight in the Springs, we are dry. It's pleasant outside with the current temperature at 42 degrees. Pueblo currently checking in at 47. This is a broad trough of low pressure. Most of the energy is going to move off to the north and east of us, but we do get some that moves down into the Rockies over the next 24 to 48 hours. And as that system arrives, it does increase the chance for snow and brings in more moisture here to southern Colorado, along with some much colder temperatures on Tuesday. Most of us will see highs at or below the freezing mark. Then here's that next system by Wednesday right along the U.S.-Canadian border. I think this one does move close enough that we could see some flurries and maybe some light snow by the day on Thursday. But let's first talk about that Tuesday system. That is more in the short term. We can see better detailing here on the model. I think by 9, already getting some heavy snow. Castle Rock up to Denver. The Gap likely to be a mess by Tuesday morning as well, with further amounts of snow falling throughout the day. By around 3 o'clock, breaking up a bit in the Pikes Peak region, but still pretty heavy along and south of Highway 50, and those snowflakes continuing to fly across the eastern plains heading into Tuesday evening. Let's talk about some estimated snowfall totals. Anywhere between 3 to 5 inches in Rye, 4 to 6 possible for Levita, 2 to 4 for Walsenburg, and 1 to 3 in Westcliff. Here's a zoomed in look at the Pikes Peak region, 3 to 6 for Castle Rock, 2 to 5 for Monument, 2 to 4 around the Air Force Academy, expecting around 1 to 3 for Briargate and Falcon, and 2 to 4 possible into Black Forest. All right, so lows tonight with some light westerly winds, very pleasant across the region, dropping down to the teens and 20s for areas along and east of the interstate. Highs tomorrow, 47 expected in the Springs, 53 in Pueblo, and 53 in La Junta. Still breakout of Tuesday on your super 7-day forecast. I'm going to show you what the probability of precipitation is throughout the day. Highest snow chances through about 2, 3 in the afternoon, and then the snow chances diminishing here as we head towards sunset. Wednesday, we're dry, and then again, the potential for maybe some flurries or light snow heading into Thursday. For Pueblo, we've got a nice day tomorrow. Then we're down near the freezing mark with some snow possible on Tuesday, and again, maybe something else in the extended forecast as we head towards Thursday. For Canyon City, we've got 50 here on Monday, 32 and snowy on Tuesday, dry Wednesday, but maybe another storm system in the works on Thursday for Woodland Park. For now, I've added the snow icon to Thursday as well, but Tuesday is the day keeping a close eye on for now. I think we will likely see some moderate impacts, especially for drivers, Tuesday morning all the way into Tuesday night.